Quick Photoshop tips. How to create fake snow in Photoshop. First, create a new layer, select the brush tool, and open brush settings. Now all you have to do is follow these settings to create a fake snow brush. If you're done, decrease the brush size and slowly paint all over the canvas. Next, create a new layer, increase the brush size, and paint all over the canvas. Now all you have to do is repeat the same process until you have 4 layers with different brush sizes. Go to Filter, Blur, and Motion Blur. Adjust the distance to your liking. Repeat the same process to the other snow layers, and make sure to slightly adjust both angle and distance, and if you're done, select all layers, duplicate, then merge. Then open Camera Raw Filter. Now adjust the temp to a cooler tone, increase both highlights and clarity, then decrease saturation. Then press J for the radial filter. Adjust the skin tones to make it look natural. Now lastly, go to HSL adjustments. Decrease the saturation for these specific colors, and you're done. Here's the before and after. Like and follow for more tips.